What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to create a nested if statement in Java programming. First of all, I'm going to introduce an integer type of variable, integer, let's say age. I initialize the age with 60. Then first I set the condition if the age is less than 50. If the age is less than 50, then I put a printout statement, system.out.println you are young. You are young. And then else statement. Else you are young. I should put the quote mark right here, and then else open quote. Then I set the second condition. If it's less than 50, you are young. If it's not that, then that's what go to else. So it means if it's not young, it means old. So you are old. Okay. Now nested if, this is if else statement. Now nested if statement is basically if the age above, like age is greater than, if it's not below 50, it will go to the else statement, and from that else statement we can again set another condition. If the age is greater than 75, age is greater than 75, we set the condition, and then we put a system out statement. You are really old. You are really old. And if the age is not greater than 75, it means it's going to be between 50 and 75. So we can put an else statement here. And for this one we can say, don't worry, you aren't really that old. Don't worry, you aren't really that old. And that's it. Now let's go and run this one. But here our age is we introduced age 60, so it should print out don't worry, you aren't really that old, because if it's greater than 75, because first it checks whether the age is less than 50. If the age is less than 50, it should print you are young, but here it's not less than 50, so it will go to the else statement. In the else statement it should print out you are old, and after that it will check whether the age is greater than 75 or less than 75. If it's less than 75, it will print don't worry, you aren't really that old. If it's greater than 75, it's going to print out you are really old. So now check this one. You can see you are old, first condition satisfied, because since the age is greater than 50, it will print out you are old. Then it will check the next condition whether it is below 75 or above 75. If it's below 75, it will go to the else statement. Don't worry, you aren't really that old, because we introduced the age 60. That's why it's printing out this one. And that's how we create a nested if statement in Java programming. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.